Guys, welcome. I'm going to show you this website that will make you huge amount of money on the internet right now, and the website is paying massive right. The first step is to click the first link in this video description. It will bring you right here, and make sure that you see this invite by email also. Come right here, put your phone name, email address, username, password, phone number, and come right here and click on this get coupon code. Once you click on this get coupon code, it actually bring you right here. Just any of these people right here, just make payment of 4,500 naira with them. With this 4,500 naira, you can make huge amount of money from this website, and you can be making 700 naira daily just by performing tasks. Once you refer somebody, you earn 3,500 naira. So after you get the coupon code, just tell them that you want only coupon code. They will send for you the coupon code after you make payment of 4,500 into the account. All you need to do is just come back right here on your registration and come right here and paste the coupon code. This coupon code will give you access to your account. After you paste the coupon code, come right here, choose the package right here, and come right here, agree, and click on this register. Once you click on this register, your account will be created, and you'll be given 2,500 now as a sign-up bonus. And you perform tasks every day, you earn 700 naira. And this website is paying massively. Right? People have been cashing out massively on this website. So that's why we look like this, as you can see. And the good thing about this website is that you are not earning in points, you are earning in naira. So if you come down right and go to this all recent activities, you can see that I've been performing tasks on this website and be earning money. I'm earning in naira, not points. If I come right here, you can see that I've earned over 5,500 naira just in 2 days. I'm earning 700 naira every day. So this is paying massively right now. So you need to register with just one-time registration of 4,500 naira. Or if you wish to register under me, just DM me on my WhatsApp, right? As you can see my phone number on the screen right here to get more information about this website. For you to earn, you can also refer and earn. You come right there and copy your referral link right here. You can say copy your referral link right here. Copy, share to your friends. Anyone that is found by her link, you earn 3,500 naira and to show on this affiliate balance right here. So this website is really paying massively right now. So if I just come right here, click on this three dots right here, and click on this other links right here, and go to this top earners right here. You can see that people have been making millions for this. So you can see that this one I have make over 1 million, this one I have make 620,000, this one I have make 720,000 from this website. Today that this website is paying massively. And for you to know that this website is paying massively, you can see people have been withdrawing ever since this website have launched a few days ago. So
guys, there is one thing I love about Learnify. You earn with or without referral, and there is something unique about this platform. Imagine doing your daily task 700 naira every day, and once you get 20k, you're automatically getting credited to your bank account. All you have to do is just to get registered to the platform, update your bank details. You should be one of the things you do immediately when you register. If you choose not to refer, you can be doing your task every day, be getting sweet 700 naira, and once it gets to 20k, they're automatically crediting your bank. You don't even need to place withdrawal. Then when it comes to referral part, that is the real oil money. You'll be getting 3,500 naira referral bonus. Imagine when you get 3,500 naira for everybody that you bring to the platform, and once the person you brings another person, you are getting sweet 300. This is how you keep on earning generation to generation, guys. This platform sweet. Imagine me, I've made almost 1 million naira under 48 hours of launch.